The hard truth is that if your boss does not know what you are working on, then it is not humility, it is stupidity. It is sheer career negligence. 5 career truths that no one tells you. Let me start with a simple question. Why do so many smart, hardworking people feel confused, frustrated, or stuck in their mid careers? They did everything right. Good education, worked really hard, stayed loyal to the company, and yet something feels off. The problem is not effort. The problem is that careers run on unwritten rules and no one tells you those rules early enough. So you are playing a game without knowing the rules. Today, I want to share 5 career truths that I have learned over the years and it might be useful to you. They are uncomfortable, they are not motivational, they are very real, no fluff, pure practical experience. And if you understand these early, you will save yourself years of frustration. But before we dive in, who am I? I am Anshuman Tiwari. I have worked for over 30 years and now share lessons and insights from books, career, and life to help you manage better brick by brick. If you like what I do here, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. It is free for you, but it helps me keep making more of these videos. And now to the 5 truths. Truth number 1: your degree gets you entry, after that, nobody cares. We put a lot of emotional and financial energy into degrees, brands, colleges, and yes, they matter. They matter to get you to the starting line. After your first job, your degree becomes a historical detail, not a growth engine. At work, people don't ask where did you study, they ask can you solve this problem, can you learn fast, can you handle ambiguity, can you work with difficult people without becoming one? I have seen average resumes outperform stellar ones because the person was reliable, curious, and practical. Hard truth: if you're still leaning on your degree at 35, you stopped growing at 25. Truth number 2: hard work is necessary, visibility is not optional. We are told just do the good work, somebody else will notice. That sounds very noble. Maybe it worked 200 years ago. Good work that no one notices is called a hobby. Organizations are noisy, managers are overloaded, leaders are very stressed. If your work is invisible, your impact might as well be imaginary. This is not about self promotion, it is about closing the loops, writing clearly, sharing progress, speaking up when it matters. The hard truth is that if your boss does not know what you are working on, then it is not humility, it is stupidity. It is sheer career negligence. Truth number 3: careers are non linear. Stop expecting fairness. Deep down, we expect careers to be logical. We work hard and be loyal, and we think we will get rewarded. We do the right thing, we expect good things to happen. But reality is messier. If it was such a linear thing, you put in this and you will get this, everybody would be able to do this. But there are so many variables that you and I don't know about. And we often ignore these variables. And that is where the problem starts. You will see average performers getting promoted and you will think, why did that person get promoted? You will be overlooked despite competence. You will be impacted by decisions you have no control over. Sometimes it is politics, often it is timing, budget, or pure randomness. The biggest mistake is stopping at this is unfair. When you start believing this is unfair, you are thinking that everything should be fair, which is not true. Given the reality, what is my next best move? Now that stuff has happened, what is your next best move? The hard truth you have to face is that careers reward adaptability more than righteousness. Skills age faster than you think. The shelf life of skills is shrinking. What made you valuable 5 years ago may already be very average today. AI has made it worse now that even 2 years old skills may be outdated. The real divide is not tech versus non-tech. It is people who are learning continuously versus people who are defending old relevance. Learning today is not about certificate. It is about curiosity, experimentation, and unlearning. Ask yourself, what am I learning this quarter? What skill am I building that did not exist in my job description? Hard truth: if you are not upgrading yourself, the market will downgrade you. Hard truth number 5: your manager matters more than your company. People chase brands, they should chase managers. A good manager accelerates your learning, protects your visibility, and stretches your thinking. A bad one quietly erodes your confidence, relevance, and growth. This is why a lateral move is sometimes smarter than a promotion. Look for managers who give clarity, not confusion, allow disagreement, not obedience, develop people, not dependencies, and so on. Hard truth: staying too long under the wrong manager is one of the most expensive career decisions you will ever make. In closing, careers are not built by slogans, not by motivational quotes, not by that poster on your screensaver, and definitely not by cute advice. They are built brick by brick through skills, through relationships, through judgment calls, through uncomfortable self honesty. If you are early in your career, learn these early. If you are in mid career and stuck, revisit them honestly. And if all of this that I shared today has helped you, share it with somebody who needs a reality check. Remember, your career is a marathon built brick by brick. Don't go for overnight success. Keep adding to your portfolio and you'll be fine. See you in the next video. Till then, manage better.